Step 2. Shop. Once you're signed up, look for items that you would like to add to your cart. You can browse listings from Yahoo Auctions, Rakuten, Amazon, Yahoo Shopping, and many other stores. If an item you want is not listed on the site, you can copy and paste a URL from any site into the search box on ZenMarket, or use the plus button. Please bear in mind, when browsing items on ZenMarket, you can view the price in other currencies, but these are only estimates. The actual price is in Japanese yen. Once you find something you want, just add it to your cart. After that, an operator will manually check the price of the items and confirm their availability. You can see the status of your items in My Account. At this point, if you've made any mistakes in your order and wish to cancel a price check, it's possible to delete the links from your cart. Our team will confirm the total expenses for your requested purchase, the item's value, the total price including taxes and domestic shipping fees. Plus, if there are any bank transfer fees, ZenMarket will cover them. We've confirmed the price of this item is 780 yen. The domestic shipping to our warehouse is 0 yen, and the ZenMarket service fee is 300 yen. So in total, you just pay 1,080 yen from your account. This will confirm your order, and we will buy it.